What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We're starting off the day real early. We're gonna go ahead and start the Evo build today, but before we head to the shop, we gotta go pick up a new front bumper for the car, and I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys on this journey. Now, this bumper isn't gonna be perfect. I just want to give you guys a little disclaimer. I hate buying stuff that are in perfect condition because it's always tax. You pay premium price when you can just get something that's in a little bit worse condition for way cheaper and do the repair yourself. So we're gonna get this bumper for such a good deal, and I want to show you guys what to look for when buying body panels for cheap and things you should buy or not buy based on the damage, if it's easily repairable or not. So let's go ahead and go pick up this bumper. I think we're here, guys. There's plenty of Evos out front. We got a purple Evo 9, I think, over there. We got 3 Evo 10s. I think we're in the right spot. Not to mention, we also got this Evo 9 over here. Dude, I did not know this man runs an Evo shop. Unless these are all his personal cars, which would be crazy. What's up, bro? I'm Derek.
Yep.
So is this like your shop or something? There's hella Evos in here and outside. Oh.
We opened pretty recently, and yeah, we do a bunch of Evo stuff.
Alright, dude, let's check out the bumper.
Yeah, go ahead. Wow, this is the crack I was talking about. It has little cracks back here and there, but I don't really know what it takes to fix stuff like that because I don't do Evo or anything like that.
Gotcha. So this didn't crack all the way through?
I think it looks like somebody already tried to fix it.
Yeah, someone tried to repair it right here. Any other cracks? Oh, there's chippings down here.
Yeah.
The bumper's pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
What? Oh, it's a Duraflex bumper?
Yeah.
Could we throw it on a car and see how it fits?
Yeah, we can throw it in this car.
Okay, dope. Fitment's not bad.
Yeah, surprisingly, right?
Yeah, for a Duraflex bumper, I thought it'll be way worse. Yeah, dude, it's pretty solid. It's a little short over here, but yeah, I think we can handle that. All right, sweet. You said 50 bucks, right?
Yep.
Oh, works for me. Is this one of the Evo builds you're doing?
Yeah.
What's this one getting done to it? Because I see the head's all torn up.
This one's getting fully assembled. Most of it's already done. We have to run like the intercooler piping and run like the thermostat and fuel system.
Okay.
I gotta run a whole new custom fuel system all the way back. I gotta redo the battery because somebody else did it like crap. And
oh, the battery's relocated in the trunk
in the
too?
trunk, but they ran all like the power and ground wires underneath the car.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so gonna have to redo all of that.
So how much power is this one gonna be pushing?
He's going for 500-600 on pump, so it's gonna make some jam for sure.
What's this? A 62, 66?
67.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah.
This thing is fat.
Yeah, we just put a 62, 66 in this car, and this white one.
In the Teggy?
Yeah, you wanna hold the hood?
Fuck, that shit's huge too. How much is this one pushing?
This one made like 700
Okay.
on E.
Damn. For a Honda, that's insane. This shit is fast.
Yeah.
And do you guys also do custom fab work here?
Oh yeah, we have a fabricator that does work for us, but right now he's currently in California.
Oh, I see.
We're not doing any fabrication just right now.
Okay.
But he'll be back soon, so he'll be able to do that for us too.
Dude, that's sick. Is this a customer build or is this like the shop build?
Yeah, customer.
Gotcha.
And then we also sell wheels and do all the other things. Wheels.
I see that.
Or just about anything.
You guys have all of these in stock or are these already bought?
No, they're all in stock. They're just
Oh shit, that's dope. I don't know anyone that stocks Rays.
Yeah.
Especially gram lights, because they usually take like a few months to get in.
Yeah.
That's pretty dope. Alright, sweet. Alright boys, we got the bumper all loaded up. Nice meeting you, bro. Appreciate all the info on the Evo.
Yeah, let me know if you need anything else.
If you guys need any work done, come check out his shop. He's in Lacey, Washington. They do motor builds, they do wrap jobs, basically the whole shebang. And he has an Evo 9 for sale. So if you guys are interested, check out his shop.
That's all outdated, but it's under Elevated Motorsports. So.
Elevated Motorsports?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Alright boys, now that I'm back at the shop, let's go over why I bought this bumper and what exactly it is and what we'll be needing to do to repair this bumper so that it's in pristine condition and ready to be wrapped or painted, whatever you guys desire. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this bumper because we'll be wrapping the entire car. I'm super hyped for that, by the way. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into it. So this is an Evo 9 replica bumper. As you can see, it's fiberglass and OEM bumpers are made out of plastic. But there's something special about this bumper. It comes with a molded in lip. You see this part right here? This doesn't come from factory. So it's a little bit more aggressive than the OEM one, which will look fantastic on the car. I might have to get some side skirt extensions so that it flows with this bumper. But yeah, we test fitted the bumper on the car and it fits pretty good. So that's step one of buying any body kits or any body parts. You gotta check the fitment regardless what brand it was. We checked the fitment on this thing and it was pretty dang good for what it is. This bumper is made by Duraflex, and if you guys don't know, Duraflex is probably one of the worst replica brands you can get out there. But it looks like someone did some body work and got this thing to fit nice, so that's why I picked it up, because I won't have to spend time getting it to fit. All I have to do is basically fix all the damages. That's the second thing you're gonna look for when you're buying a cheap body kit that's used, is all the damages. Now the only major damages, I wouldn't even consider it major, just minor damages, are like these small tiny cracks, these small tiny scratches that will easily get sanded out, and we can just fill this with Bondo. Now the worst damage on this bumper is probably these cracks right here, and as you can see, someone previously tried to repair it. That's why you see all the fiberglass right there, and that's why this part is primered. But it looks like the cracks are pretty solid. Like, I can't re-crack it, so we're just gonna have to grind this down and then fill it in with some Bondo and then block it. But yeah, overall this bumper is in great shape, and I got it for 50 bucks. I looked it up on eBay and this bumper goes for $400 new plus shipping, and shipping is like 200 bucks and up, so this is about a $600 bumper, the cheapest you can find online, and I got it for 50 bucks, and it's only gonna take about 2 hours of our time on fixing this bumper, so I want to say it's pretty well worth it. So those are the things you want to check for when you're buying a body kit. Make sure that it's something that you can fix within your comfort zone, and if you guys want a tutorial on how to fix cracks in your bumpers or even chunks missing, there's a bunch of tutorials on my channel, especially when I was building the S2000. Man, the S2000 body kit was a pain, and by terrible I mean like a 1 to 2 inch gap all around that I had to fill in and make it fit. So if you guys are looking for tutorials, check them out. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this bumper. First thing we're gonna address is all these cracks. Let's go ahead and fill them in with body filler, and then we can sand the whole entire panel. With thin cracks like these, body filler doesn't usually like to stick because there's not enough surface area for it to go into. So just take a Dremel and then Dremel out the entire crack so that you have more surface area to put in the body filler. Make sure to press really hard too, so you get in all those gaps. This as well. Alright, it's all dry now. Let's get to sanding. Same 80 grit sandpaper that we used before. Put on a block and start sanding. Boys, fast forward about a week, I finally got the tune in for the FRS, so we can move that out of the garage today and finish the bumper. The bumper is still sitting here. We got a spray primer on it today, and then we moved the Evo in, and check it out. We put new wheels onto the Evo, and today we're gonna go ahead and finish prepping this thing for the wrap that we're gonna be doing on the car tomorrow. It's getting a full vinyl wrap job, so I gotta make sure this thing is nice and pristine and ready for that. So we gotta sand away all the chips and little imperfections on the Evo, and check it out. We recently dropped our merch and she's packaging all of it up right now. In case you guys haven't seen, we dropped hoodies. This is the Mislabeled Racing Evo hoodie. We got the pink hoodie with the pink and purple S13 and my dog Kirby the Corgi in it. We drop a bunch of basic essential everyday tees, so check it out. projectmislabeled.com. I'll drop it in the description. Feel free to cop anything and support the channel. Let's go ahead and open up this garage and give this car its very first startup with the new tune. I'm crossing my fingers that this thing runs mint and doesn't misfire, so I can actually drive it around today and check for any oil leaks and everything. Have this car running for a while so we can see if it overheats, if it needs coolant or anything before we go ahead and tune this car. Why won't you start? There we go. Oh, she died. What the fuck? Okay, one more time. There we go. She died again. What's the issue? I have 0 throttle response. Okay, it's still doing that weird idling like before. I wonder what it could be. Oh, the back is still smoking like a motherfucker though. I'm guessing it's because it's running super rich. Yup, that's fuel. That's definitely fuel. Let's let it warm up for a little bit before we rev it. We do, just a little bit. No, not really. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this car aside. I'm gonna send my tuner all the info and hopefully he'll get back to me with the issue. And I'm guessing it's a issue with the tune, because before there was like no issues with the throttle at all, but now there is. So there's only one thing, especially since these cars have electronic throttle control. So that could be it. Let's go ahead and move on to the Evo. We're gonna start prepping this thing for the vinyl wrap now. It should be pretty easy. I think this is the only rock chip we're gonna address, because all the other ones, all the other paint chips are gonna be removed. Like this front bumper, I'm swapping this bumper out. We're gonna give this thing a nice little wash and then wipe it all down with some alcohol. I think the homie Austin just got here. Let's go greet him. Oh yeah, he's definitely here. I see his bright ass green car. Hi Kirby. What's good? Go, Kirby. Yeah. Come in. Stance as hell, boy. Oh my god. Bro, what happened to this thing? It looks clapped as hell.
Look at the inside. Oh shit.
Oh my god, bro.
No, it's bad.
What the fuck?
Both front tires are mismatched.
Oh my god, what the hell did you do to this car?
selling it.
You are?
Yeah.
Fuck. Who remembers when we wrapped this thing purple and built it for Stanford's Vegas and actually didn't make it at all? Let's show Austin the prepped car and see what he thinks.
Prepped.
Yeah, so I took off all the trim and
Repainted?
yep.
Our favorite.
Okay, so my question to you is, bro, how's the wrap gonna turn out now that we know it's been repainted?
Oh, it's cheater wrap, so it's like the lightest tack possible. So.
Okay, so it's not
it'll
gonna
be
peel?
alright. As long as you don't peel it off and like. I'm sure once you have it wrapped, you're gonna leave it.
Oh, I'm about to leave this shit
Yeah.
until I
Yeah,
paint
it'll
it.
be alright.
Yeah.
Is this stock? Like all this shit?
Yeah. Evo 8.
I've never seen it in person.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's pretty fucking aggressive.
Yeah, it looks like it has like a molded kit on there or something.
Yeah. He's talking about this fat ass body line right here. Also, this front bumper right here. We just finished like doing all the body work and stuff. You say no primer? Just wrap over it?
I would. Well, I didn't know. Fuck. The whole thing sanded basically?
Yeah.
Like what grade?
400?
I would do like a test piece with the cheater wrap and see if it sticks to all that.
Okay.
I just had bad experience with primer and wrap jobs.
Yeah, so
Like, bad.
you're scared of it now?
Yeah, like if you, especially on the bumper, like if you have tension anywhere, like it'll just peel up on the wrap. Primer doesn't stick well to the wrap.
See, bro, the thing is, my S14, when I wrapped it, I basically primered the entire thing. Wrapped it,
Oh, I
didn't
see
lift
that,
at
yeah.
all. And
Really?
yeah, the guy still driving it doesn't lift, and he's
Yeah,
pressure washing
well,
that bitch.
tech
And it's
wrap-
tech wrap too.
It's hella tacky though. Like
Yeah.
hella tacky. This, like
It's not tacky at all.
no.
Okay.
It feels, it's like crazy. Lightest stack in the game.
Bet. All right, let's finish prepping this thing. We're gonna wipe it all down with some isopropyl alcohol and get all this fucking dirt off. I washed this car; it was so clean, and I forgot to take off the trims. Took it off, compressed air it, and it flew everywhere. Okay, now my hands feel dry as shit from the alcohol, but we pretty much got the car all wrapped up, and we're officially ready to start wrapping this thing. It's super clean. Remember all the gunk that was here before? It's all gone now, so hopefully the wrap turns out good. We don't find any dust underneath. I got my homie Austin here to help me do this shit because this man does wrap for a living, so we're gonna learn a few things from him. But you guys won't get to see us wrap this car until the next video, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video where I showed you guys how you can buy cheap body kits online and still have it fit really good. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to get your car looking nice. Just hunt on Facebook Marketplace, hunt on OfferUp, hunt on even Instagram. Look out for deals and go ahead and swoop them up the moment you see them, and don't wait. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, go down below, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and check out the new merch that we just dropped. The last day for pre-orders will be this Friday. So go on projectmislabel.com and cop something nice. All right, y'all. Peace out.